they persist on this point that I am God. The Maya is working there. Maya is working there still, although he is thinking that I am now liberated, I have become Narayana. Jannera Vindakha Vimukta Manina. He is thinking that I am God. That means he is in the darkest region of Maya, and still he is thinking that he is liberated. He is thinking what is not. At the present moment, you will find the whole world is filled up with these rascals. They are in the deepest region of Maya and concocting that he is God. He is God. This is Maya. Therefore it is said, Maya Mana. The Maya Mana is so strong that Maya Manas Srijati Karma Mayang Boliya. Very strong. His material existence began from this point, that why shall I serve Krishna? I shall remain independent. But the rascal does not know that he cannot become independent. That is not possible. But this is the beginning of material life. Why shall I accept God? I am God. But the same thing is continuing in different phases. So Mayaman is very strong. It is very, very difficult. Therefore, we have to voluntarily surrender. It takes very, very long time. Believe. But if one is intelligent, if one is fortunate, he takes immediately. That is the difference. Otherwise, it will take many, many births. Bahunam janmanamante jnanavan amanga prabhadat. Even if he is jnanavan, full knowledge of everything, scientific knowledge, physical, chemical, metaphysical, mathematical, all these knowledge, but denying God. I am God. Well, there is no need of God. Now we shall do everything. We are advanced in science. This is called Mayavana. These rascals are thinking like that. It will never be possible. Panthasu koti sadavassa sampragamya vayo rathapi manaso munipungavana. Great Muni. Muni means mental speculators. The thinking within the mind, this, that. Muni Pungavana. Pungava means very expert mental speculators. Even they think like that for many, many years. Panthasu koti satavasa. Koti means 100 lakhs, and again multiply by sata, unlimited. Panthasu koti satavassa sampragamma, and the speed, vayu rathapi manaso, speed of the air and the mind is still avichintatate. They cannot understand what is God. Ask any scientist, any physicist, any mathematician, just like recently one rascal, he is doctor, he has said that Sita was sister of Rama and Rama was this and that. Speculator. He has become bigger than the acharyas, and because he has got little doctorate title, he is thinking that he has become very, very big. This is why. This is called Mayavan. Maya is so strong that she is bewildering even so-called doctorates, deletes and others. All rascals. Maya aparita jnana. Therefore Bhagavad Gita says, Maya aparita jnana. Although they have got these university degrees, but they are rascals. Why? The Maya aparita jnana. Their knowledge has been taken away by Maya. Maya is very strong. You have seen the picture of Maya, Durga Devi, and the Mahishasura is fighting, very strong, just like Hiranyakashipu. There are many Asuras. The Mahishasura, sometimes Krishna himself comes to kill the Asura, or sometimes his agent, Maya, Durga Devi, kills. You have seen the picture of Goddess Kali. She is killing simply the Asuras, chopping, one after one after. Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Sadhana Sakti Rekha. She can create, she can maintain, and she can make prolonged, devastator. That is her business. But so powerful, still she is under the control of the Supreme Lord. Therefore, here it is said, Sangsara Chakramaja Koti Tarati. Koti Tarit Tadanya. A strong Maya. I cannot get out of her clutches. The Prahlad Maharaj knows it. Koti Tarit. Who can surpass? Who can get rid of these clutches of Maya? Tadanya. That is the plan. Therefore Krishna said that you surrender to me and you will be free from Maya. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam aham, so I will give you protection. Mameva prapadanti. The same thing. Whole instruction is there. Simply, if we want to be happy, happiness you cannot have in this way, by concocting plans. That is not possible. You have seen the whole world, especially in the modern days, so many big nations, they are assembled together in the United Nations. Nonsense, where is the unity? Simply disunity. For the last 20 or 30 years they are struggling. Before that they convene another League of Nations. So they are making simply plans. And it continues for some time. Then after 15 or 20 years, again conflagration of war, especially in the Europe. They are all demons. How the demons can bring in peace by so-called United Nations or League of Nations? That is not possible. They have to give up the demonic activities. They have to take to Krishna consciousness. Then they will be saved. So, we are just trying to introduce the real civilization. Actually, there is no civilization at the present moment. They are simply cats and dogs and fighting one another. There is no civilization. This is not civilization. Atheists, demons, they are predominating, and because they have got big skyscraper building and many motor cars, India has become victimized. Without this motor car and without this skyscraper building, we are condemned. So they are trying to imitate. They have forgotten their own culture, the best culture, Vedic culture. So it is the first time that we are trying to conquer the demonic culture with this Vedic culture. This is the first time. So it is very pleasing that you have joined this movement. If you want to make the human society happy, give them this culture of Krishna consciousness. That is being described by Prahlad Maharaj, that Sangsara Chakra, if you become involved in this demonic culture, there is the Sangsara Chakra, the wheel of repetition of birth and death will go on. You cannot stop. It is not possible. But if you take to Krishna consciousness, then there is possibility. This is the part of this verse. Thank you very much.